Today we'll discuss about that FA2 paper second. Children's having 20 marks. Choose the correct answer 1 into 4. See that children's, what is that question? A very rational number is a whole number. This statement are true or false. You want to check children. This statement is true or false or both A and B and none of this. Children, carefully you can observe. A very rational number is a whole number. This statement is children's false children. A very rational number, yes, whole number. Sorry, it is statement is true children because rational number having there also whole number, natural number, that like this statement is true. Option A is correct answer children. Children, now we want to take second question. A polynomial of a degree 2 is called, that is linear or quadratic or cubic or biquadratic. Children, having second degree means almost quadratic children. Option B is correct. What is that? Option B, quadratic polynomial. Okay children, now we want to take third question. The coordinates of the point of origin is 0, 1 and 0, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. So two lines are intersecting, that we can call for origin, that is 0, 0. Option B is correct answer children. What is that? Option B is correct answer. Option B, 0, 0. Children, now we want to take general form of linear equation in two variables. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a square is there, it is not a linear equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is a linear equation in two variables. X is there and y is there. Therefore, option B is correct answer. So, Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Children, next we want to go to second one. Solve the following. Find three different solutions of the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6 children. Children, now we want to take x plus 2y is equal to 6. Suppose x is equal to 0. First solution. Put 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 by 2. That is y is equal to, what is that value? Y is equal to 3 children. Children, now we want to take, suppose x is equal to 1 means you want to substitute 1 plus 2y is equal to 6. 2y is equal to 6. This plus 1 will coming to right hand side means minus. Y is equal to 5 by 2. Children, suppose now we want to take x is equal to 2 means 2 plus 2y is equal to 6. 2y is equal to 6 minus 2. 2y is equal to 4 children. Y is equal to 4 by 2 means how much? 2 children. Children, now we want to take x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 means minus 2 plus 2y is equal to 6. 2y is equal to 6. This minus 2 will come to left hand side means plus 2. 2y is equal to 6 plus 2, 8 children, and y is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. You can understand children. Children, now we want to take second question. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y plus k is equal to k children. Children, now we want to find 2x plus 3y is equal to k. You want to put the value of x is equal to what? 2 children. Value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. You want to substitute. In x place you want to substitute 2 and y place you want to substitute 1 is equal to k. 2 plus 2, 4 children, and 3 1 ja 3 is equal to k. 4 plus 3 is equal to how much? 7 is equal to k. The value of k is equal to 7. Correct children? Now we want to take children third one. Simplify 2 by 3. First question. 2 to the power of 2 by 3 children plus 1 by 3. So children, now we want to take here LCM is same 3. Children, now we want to add 2 plus 1 is also 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 3 is equal to 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2 children. Children, now we want to take second question. 7 to the power of 1 by 5 all divided by 7 to the power of 1 by 3. So children, this is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n identity. Children, now you want to write 7 to the power of 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Now you want to take LCM. 5 and 3 is 15 children. 7 to the power of 1 by 5 into children 15 minus 1 by 3 into 15 LCM whole divided by 15. Okay children, sorry, you want to take 5 1s, 5 3s, 3 1s, 3 5s. Children, now you want to multiply 1 3s 3 minus 1 5s 5 divided by 15. 7 to the power of plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 by 15. You can understand children this one? Now see children, rationalize the denominator. 5 divided by root 3 minus 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5. Children, now you want to take how to rationalize the denominator. 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5 into rationalize the denominator. Here root 3 minus 5 is there. You want to rationalize means sign will be changes. Now we want to multiply root 3 plus root 5. Again numerator and denominator you want to multiply this one. Root 3 plus root 5. Children, now we want to multiply 5 into root 3 plus root 5. See children, this is root 3 minus root 5. Root 3 plus root 5 is equal to a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Children, a is root 3 square minus root 5 whole square. Correct children? Square root cancel. Children, now we want to multiply 5 into root 3 is 5 root 3 plus 5 into root 5 is according to that 5 root 5 or root 5 into 5. Okay children. Children, here 3 is there minus 5 is there. So how we can write this one? 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 all divided by 3 minus 5 is minus 2. This is the answer. Children, now we want to take next question. Find p of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. You want to substitute p of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. At x is equal to 1 means p of 1 is equal to 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. 5 1s are 5 minus 3 plus 7. 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 7 is equal to how much? 9. Children, now you want to take next question, sixth one. Divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by 3x minus 2. Now we want to take 3x minus 2 and 3x square plus x minus 6. Children, now you want to take here 3x is there, here 3x square is there. You want to multiply here x. 3x into x is 3x square minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Want to change as the sign. Here not there means plus. Plus means you want to change minus. Here minus is there. You want to change means plus. Plus 3x square minus 3x square cancel. Plus 2x plus x is 3x minus 1. Children, here 3x is there. Here 3x is there. Now you want to multiply plus 1. 1 into 3x is 3x minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Now we want to change as the sign. Plus 3x minus 3x is cancelled. Plus 2 plus 1 is plus 3. You understood children? Children, next you want to go to last mind. Factorize 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. So this is the identity of how we can write children. 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. This is the identity is a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. How we can take this one? Then so 49 means how we can write 7a square plus children. Now you want to write b square. Yes, 25 is there. You want to write here 5b whole square plus 2 into the value of a is 7a and value of b is 5b. Correct, children? How we can write here? 7 is there, here 5 is there, 7a plus 5b whole square is there. So now we want to factor. How you can? 7a plus 5b 2 times is there, that's why 7a plus 5b into 7a plus 5b. This is the factorization. You can understand, children. Children, you want to take last question. Evaluate 104 whole cube. How we can take this one? It's very simple. You want to split 100 plus 4 whole cube is equal to 104 whole cube. Correct, children? This is identity is a plus b whole cube. What is that? A plus b whole cube identity is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Correct, children? The value of a is equal to 100, b is equal to 4. Now we want to write, children, a cube means 100 cube plus 3, a square means, so children here 100 is there, 100 square and b is 4 plus 3, a means 100, you want to write as it is, and b square means 4 square plus b cube means 4 cube. Correct, children? Now we want to write here 100 cube means, here 100 is there, 2 zeros, you want to make it cube means write 6 zeros, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3, 100 square means 100 is 10,000 children into 4 plus 3 into 100 is 300 plus 4 square is 16 plus 4 cube is 64. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. Correct, children? Now we want to write as it is. Okay, according to the 10 lakhs plus 3 4s are 12 into 10,000 is, correct, children? Now we want to write 1,20,000 plus, children, so 16 3s are 48. So now we want to write 4,800 plus 64. Children, now you want to add all this. How we can add this one? Then also 10 lakh. Correct, children? Now we want to take 1,20,000. Okay, children. Next 4,800. Correct, children? It is very simple. 4,800 and 64. You want to add, children. How we can add this one? So 4 is there, 6, 8, and this is also 4 and 2 and 1 and 1. Children, you want to write here 11,24864 is the answer. Children, you can understood. So this paper will then also over, children. Next we want to discuss about that next class, children. Thank you, children.